Who's ready to go treasure hunting? Let's go to the Goodwill outlet bins. All right, I'm seeing a good bit of bins that have other things besides clothing, so that's a good sign. Hopefully there's things in it that we are interested in. I've been finding lots of good lampshades lately. All right, I don't see anything in this bin that I'm interested in. Just a lamp with 2 pieces, but I don't need any lamps. All right, let's see what we have here. This little tin, it's rusty, but nothing special. I think I'll leave that here. It's kind of empty. Look, there's nobody along the wall. It's just me digging. This is usually the time of day that they switch these out, so I hope they do. Look how many empty bins they have right here. I came yesterday and it does look like different stuff than yesterday, so these have been switched out, but they're definitely picked over and empty. I just ran into somebody and she said she hadn't found anything good. We're gonna look. All right, nothing here. Let's go check the other side. This side, lots of purses today. They just rolled out 2 new bins of purses. What is this? Hold on, it's stuck on some. Let me get out. Okay, not only is this beautiful, but what a great idea this is. So if you have one of these, you can just put some art in the background. I love that. Somebody with the letter D in their name needs this. Look, all they did was some felt with some nails. I need to find me an accordion shelf so I can recreate that look. I love that idea. This is cute. This little floral tin right here. I love the colors on it. Unesco, made in Hong Kong. It was from Tuesday Mornings. I love that store. I think they all closed down. I used to find lots of great stuff at Tuesday Mornings. Okay, what? I don't know what that is. I think that's somebody's DIY project. Oh, look at this. A little match holder. I don't care for the colors. Maybe we could do a little DIY on this. Here's an oval embroidery hoop. I do not find these often, the oval ones, and these are great for creating artwork. So might have to do a little DIY on that one. See some baskets over there. Let's go look. They're baskets with long handles. I do not like those because shipping them is really hard with the big handles. Somebody probably picked all these up and then put them back right here. What is this? I think it's, oh, a little Christmas house. Somebody made that. That's adorable. Let's see what we can find over here. It's another basket. It's like a planter. Oh, these are just some canvases. Another canvas. Doodle drops. Top that draws. Huh. Looks like fun. I wonder if I should get that for my kids. I'll put it in the cart and think about it. What is this? Looks like some kind of a game. Alright, I don't see anything else. And this bin looks like a lot of clothing. Look how precious this little dress is. Ren just had an activity at school the other day and it said to wear their fanciest outfit. This would have been so perfect, but it is a size 6, so I don't know if it would fit her. I know she's about to turn 6, but she actually wears a size 8. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna leave it right here so hopefully somebody else will grab it. Well, I've been waiting around for them to bring out some good stuff, maybe change out the walls, but I don't think that's going to happen today, so I'm going to head out. But I found this really cool piece, and look, it goes with the purse that I found, and this oval frame. That's always a good find. Like I said, I don't see those often. Got this little matchbox that I want to give a makeover. This cute little tin right here. And while I was waiting around, I looked through the clothes. Oh, I found this Madewell pair of jeans for my daughter, so hopefully she likes them. And it's also been a while since I got a little goodie bag for Ren, and her birthday is this week, so I thought she would enjoy that. These are actually for babies, I think, but they're little balls, and they're all these different little animals, and I thought she would like that. And she's really into activity books and coloring, so this one has never been used. So I'm gonna head out. I'll put a total on the screen of what I spent on this cart of stuff, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure.